Hey guys, welcome to Delph Stack, and this is how to change your username on TikTok. So, guys, in order for you to change your username, first you just have to simply open up the TikTok application into your device. Now, here on the TikTok, you just have to simply go ahead and go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, from here, you will have an option over here, edit beside your name at the top. So go ahead and tap on edit. And from here right away, as you can see, you should have an option over here, username. So you can just simply go ahead and tap on it. And from here, you should be able to just simply provide your username. And as you can see, you can change your username once every 30 days. And changing your username will also change your profile link. And guys, username can contain only letters, numbers, underscores, and periods. And once you are done, guys, you just have to simply go ahead and select save on the top right corner of the screen to save the changes. And after that, as you can see, we can change our username once every 30 days. And you can just simply go ahead and tap on confirm to save the changes. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.